Coach Vigue's 2 best-selling books make great gifts. Order below.
Oh, stress relief yoga, my friends. It's Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I. It's that time of year, Christmas, the holidays, end of the year, all the crap going on. We definitely need to relax, to breathe, to stretch, and feel great right now. I'm glad you're with me. Without further ado, let's get going. And a question I have for you. If you celebrate Christmas, what is the best Christmas gift you have ever received? Let me know below. Think about it, will you? Meditate on that. Okay. We're going to breathe in the nose and out the nose, expanding outward as always. I hope you enjoy the Homer Simpson pants. Very festive. Take the knees wide. Let's press back. Child's pose. A beautiful pose for relaxing the back, for expanding our breath. Breathing in the nose, inflate outward. You should be feeling the ribs move into your knees or your legs. As you exhale, squeeze the breath out. Let's do 5 deep breaths. Relax your armpits down. Good. Let it go with the exhales. Let it all go. You want to celebrate this beautiful moment right here. I know I am. I'm celebrating a good time. Good. Fingers forward. Relax the shoulders. Let the armpits sink down. You're opening up those beautiful back muscles. Because with Coach V, we want to be ready for anything. Oh, that is just majestic. I don't want to get out of this pose. It's so good. Come on, make me get out. All right, let's bring it down onto our sides. A little embryo stretch here. Take this arm out. Bring the head down. Bring the knees in. If you want, you could go back and forth here. I always like to bring you some optional add-ons. If not, just place it right here. Focus on that breath, breathing outward, and make a day of it. If not, inhale, open. Oh. The driveway enjoys this. Exhale down. In the nose, out the nose. Gentle, fluid movements. I'm going to do 2 more of these. Just warning you. Gotta warn you. Oh, that's nice. One more time. Open it up. Opening to the sun, to the sky. And down. And very kindly, as my dad used to say, thank you very kindly. Let's switch to the other side for embryo. Here, or add the movement. Oh, ooh, an adjustment right there. A Christmas adjustment. Use that breath. The breath is the door. It is the entryway into the release, into the stretch, into the stress relief, the anxiety relief. All right, I'm going to do 2 more. Open it up, open it up. Good. And one more time, or hold the embryo. All right, back to child's pose. Knees wide, we're going to thread the needle 6 times. Take that left arm, reach it through, stretch it out. See how your body just acclimates down like Play-Doh. Inhale to the center. Make a day of it. Make a big production. Take the arm up and wind it through, and then sink back. Let your body weight stretch that shoulder. All right, 2 more times on each side. Oh, wait, sorry. No. There we are. And again. And one more time each side. Bring it through. There we are, my friend. Oh, the stretch. One of these stretches just may change your life, change your whole outlook on movement, on your life, on your workouts. All right, press it up. I wrote down some real doozies here. I want you to, whoops, hey, I'm moving. Shake out the arms and the legs. Let's come to a seated position, cross-legged. Some side bends, a Coach Vigue specialite. Take the hand down, exhale up and over. Nice long stretch. Keep your cheeks down. Not these, the ones down there. Keep them down. Inhale, center, reach tall. Fill and empty the lungs. Exhale to the side. Good. The movement unlocks so much. I'll leave it up to you to fill in the blanks of what it's unlocking. Take this arm back a little further. We get a beautiful stretch down the, well, my right side. If you're mirroring me, it's down your left side. Inhale, center. Reaching up, triumphant in our stretching. Keep the breath flowing. In the nose, out the nose. All right. Shoulders back and down. Take the hands on the knees. I love this one. Let's circle. Inhale back, exhale forward. Bring some movement into your core, into your abdominals, lower back, hips, and glutes, that whole center, into your groin, your psoas. And with the movement comes oxygen, comes blood flow. All right, other direction. It's one of those beautiful wintry, spring-like days in the Rockies. Where sure, the snow is cold, but right here it feels nice, like 55 degrees. That is a perfect temperature for my workouts outside. One more time, circle, circle, circle. All right, turn it. Let's bring it down onto our backs. I'd be remiss if we did not bring in a twist. So drop the legs to the side. Tuck in that shirt. Extend this leg out if you like, the top leg, and then reach this arm away. Let's relax for 5 breaths. The gravity and body weight do their work, releasing down. Now, as gracefully as you can, with a great festive spirit, let's drop the legs to the other side. Extend if you like, arm out. Release, release. A great skill to have in these routines and in workouts and in life is the ability to let it go. We say it all the time, but can we? Can you just release? Take out the tension, breathe. Let go for at least a few minutes. Two more breaths. Oh, that's delightful. Okay, knees into the chest. Hug them in, hands on the knees, or wrap the arms around. You could also place a pillow behind your head if this is your first time. Really bringing the knees in the chest, you're in for a wild adventure here. It's like the first time going on Space Mountain, but a little more relaxing. Okay, you could stay here, my friend, or the advanced option is the plow pose. I was working on this yesterday at the gym. We never just do it. We practice it. We work on it. Hands here. Use the abdominals to bring the legs up and over. This is definitely more advanced, so you can leave it out. Hands on the back for more support. I've been a little tight lately in the back area. It comes and goes. I think it's a lot because of my son. I'm always playing with him and lifting him and doing things. But I'll gladly trade that off. It's worth it. You can extend the legs, work your way into it. The weight is on the backs of the shoulders. Keep your eyes straight ahead, or up above, so don't move the neck. Let's do 5 more breaths of either stretch.
knees into the chest or the plow. This is really doing a number on your low back, up your spine, into your hamstrings and glutes. Calgon, take me away. One more breath. All right. Here's how we come down. Use those abdominals to control as you roll down. Keep the knees bent. You can place the hands here or release. Roll it down. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, my goodness. All right, the fun is not over yet. Believe me. Let's bring it onto our stomachs. Maybe you're playing some really relaxing music. I like Tim Janis or Jim Brickman. Those are always good. Some Lori Line. Slayer. All right, down. Full body stretch. This is a stretchy Superman to start right onto the blacktop. Reaching, reaching, reaching. Always feels good. Good full body stretch. If you want to add on to this and really energize your back, palms facing in. As you inhale, lift up. You could reach the hands back a little further. I was working on this one last night too. It's a long cobra pulse. We go forward with the exhale. Inhale up. Drop the shoulders down. Neck is long. Feel this length right there. That's the sweet spot. I'm going to do 2 more, or hold your stretch. Up. One more time. Tension in my hands. Shoulders down. We're lifting. And here's the release. Oh, down, down, down. Perfect time. Quick child's pose. Press it up and back. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Releasing and stretching. Or is stretching releasing, or is releasing stretching? Meditate on that. Okay. Press it up. Sitting on the heels. Shoulders back and down, or sit cross-legged, shoulder rolls. Inhale up, exhale back. Keep your upper body really tall here. The chin is slightly tucked. Inhale, exhale. One of my favorites, by the way. Love this one. You might think I add it quite a bit, but with good reason. Okay. Forward fold. With a little neck stretch coming in here. So bring the feet hip width apart. Soften the knees. You could place the hands here if you like. Just work it from here, tucking the chin. Or bring it down further. Or all the way down. Let's start by moving the shoulders a little bit. A little shimmy. Blood to the brain. The weight is in the toe. What is this shimmy, Sean? Come on. This is a shimmy. There we are. Tuck the chin. Whew. You might feel some little movement down the spine here. That's up to you. Now, if you want a little bit more, this is a neck stretch, but be very cautious with this. You want to gently place the fingers on the back of the head. Exhale, tuck the chin. There's a stretch. Two more breaths. If you feel lightheaded at all, sit down, come out of it. Oh, wait. All right, seated position, sitting on the heels again. Had a little Home Alone moment there. My son loves that. Favorite movie. Okay, aftershave. Again, shoulder rolls. It's the lead up. This is the lead up right here. This is the car going up the track on the roller coaster, and then down, release. That's the release right there. You can't get the release unless you add a little bit of lift here, a little tension, and then let it go.
We have to know what that tension feels like before we can release it. So here, tense it up a little bit, flex, 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 and then drop 2 more times. Now I'm thinking of Great America. Okay, 6 Flags. And down. Oh. All right. Let's do that forward fold 1 more time. Pick your option. Another option here is take the fingers under the toes or hug the backs of the legs. 5 breaths. Relax in the exhales. Tuck the chin. Tension out of the shoulders and the neck. Joseph Pilates said, "You're only as old as your spine." Keep your spine very limber, very decompressed, and that includes all the muscles in the back, the paraspinals, all the muscles around the spine. Shake it out. All right. Sitting on the heels, once again, lace the fingers behind, open the chest. We have the mudra. Sink the shoulders down. Move the head back and forth at your own discretion. Oh, had a moment there. You open that chest, you're opening up your breath. Relieve stress and anxiety. All right, release. Oh, shake it out. That's a shake out. Child's pose, 1 more time. 5 breaths. Thanks for joining me, everybody. If this stretch helped, please hit subscribe button, like and share, and let me know below if you are a Christmas person, if you celebrate Christmas, what is the greatest Christmas present you ever received? I know Ralphie got the Red Ryder. The Grinch got a heart, right? For me, I think the greatest gift I ever got from Santa was the G.I. Joe Command Center. Anyone else get that? Fantastic. I actually used it in a lot of my old home videos. Ho, ho, ho.
Well, hello, it's Coach Vigue again. I want to offer you a very special free 30-minute yoga flow routine from the Sean Vigue Fitness app. Oh, all you have to do is click the link below in the About section, put in your email, and zing! The video is all yours. 30 minutes of unfiltered Coach Vigue right in your inbox. Click that link right